Hey guys, how's it going? We're gonna go over Ethereum today. We do have some bearish signs in the market that I will be showing you guys, but we've also got a really fun test. I'm gonna show you guys a test we're gonna run at the end of this video and show you guys the accuracy of the signals and the alerts for this new indicator that we came out with, TC Top and Bottom Finder. And it's gonna be crazy. I think you guys are really gonna like it. I've never revealed it on YouTube or to even any of our members before, so I think you guys will like this. All right guys, quick update on where we're at. We ended up calling out a DOT scalping trade the other day and we ended up winning that. So let me show you guys real quickly the updated spreadsheet over here. Here's the deal, guys. I love to take trades in sequential order so everybody can just simply follow me. I think it's just the easiest for the community. Like, hey, you guys join us. You know, it's only 75 bucks a month. You guys join our community. You're going to get access to all these scalping trade calls. But what we do is we call them out in sequential order so you can quickly just, get into a trade, we end a trade, we get into the next one, we go to the next one. But what happens with those of you guys who, were in a trade, you guys subscribe that same day or the day after? I don't want you guys waiting a really long time for the next scalping trade call. So what I'm doing now is I'm putting extra trade calls that we make in blue. So the only way for me to keep this transparent and be like, look, if I'm going to call extra trade calls, you guys need to know if we're winning or losing those. So there's more transparency of like, are we truly winning everything we call out to our members? So it's honest to you on YouTube here. So what I did is I created a little key down here, and then we're going to add some blue trades. So trades that we take that are extra trades, that are honest, true setups in the market that we really did win, you guys will now see that on the charts, but this will not reflect in the overall percentage because I want to keep that for people who are just using their whole entire account balance and they're simply taking our trades in order. So just want to come out and share that with you guys, but great job for everybody who won the last DOT trade. I am looking for another scalping trade setup potentially today, but I'll explain why I might be waiting a little bit in this video. Okay, here's the deal, guys. Get the TC Top and Bottom Finder. I just got to say that it's an awesome indicator. If you guys come over to indicators, you guys will see this. You guys will actually get 53% off this indicator if you guys get our bundle pack. I'll explain that later, but I want to get into the analysis first here. Okay, what we're seeing here is this metric has been able to call the exact top candle here. Let me get out a little tool for myself so I can draw this for you guys. This has been able to call the exact top candle here, like literally to a T before we saw moves back down on the market here. We saw the move back down the market here, as well as we saw this up here before the move down, and obviously it called the exact top of Ethereum before it moved down. On top of that, we were luckily enough able to actually call this exact bottom candle down here right before we saw the overall market reverse, and we also ended up seeing this called the exact bottom candle. Now, here's the thing, guys. If you're looking at this, you're like, there's no way this can be this accurate unless it uses, pivot points or it repaints in the past. I want to just kind of put this as demystify this. Let's go over here to a TradingView replay and I'll show you guys the accuracy of this. And look, the indicator is not 100% accurate, but let me show you guys on a replay here of how TradingView, once the bar closes, you guys are going to get signals over here and they're going to stay on your chart. We do have a feature coded in that while the candle is open to when the candle closes, we will get flickers sometimes, which is a precursor to warn us of what may happen when the candle closes. But as you guys can see here, once candle closes, these signals are final, and it literally is calling the exact top and the bottom candles of this market, and it's pretty insane. I did not code this. This is 4 years in the making on this indicator, and if you guys stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to throw this thing on the 1 second time frame. I'm going to set up alerts and show you how the alerts are perfectly pinging to the actual signals on the 1 second time frame. So if you want to stick around to that, that's why this video is so long, but I'm going to show it to you at the end. Okay, let's get into the analysis. That's why you guys came here. I'm just jacked to share this with you guys. So I want to take you to the 4 hour. The 4 hour time frame here has showed us with this metric here. I'm going to clean this up really quickly so it's just a little bit clear. It showed us where the tops and the bottoms were. Like literally, we came up here on this descending channel pattern. We saw two sell signals out here saying, all right, you know what? This is pretty high. You guys partner this with well money flow here. And if this is high, and as well as, we actually have divergence here, which is the strongest way to trade trend exhaustion. This is showing that the trend exhaustion, the trend itself is exhausted from going up. It's starting to move down here as a precursor. That's looking for the drop. We see up here, well money flow is high, meaning the whales have bought and they're looking to shift to selling. That's a bearish sign. We've got two sell signals almost right after each other on the 4 hour. Guys, this thing is going to move back down. Not only that, we got a strong buy here in a liquidity pool. So a green liquidity pool here means that people who open their short trades are going to be looking to take profit because they've made enough money. Now, when you take that pressure out of the market for short trades, it gives way to people buying in the market, which is when the market starts going back up. Sorry, guys. I guess I have to do a computer software update soon. So When this market starts going down here to this green liquidity pool, that is when we're looking for the reversals back up. Again, trend exhaustion down here is low, while money flow is low, and we've got green bars on the market reversals, taking us to the previous time we had 2 buy signals down here very close to a liquidity pool, green bars, trend exhaustion low, well money flow low, guys. If you are combining these indicators together, this is how we're getting into incredible scalping trades that we have never lost a scalping trade, by the way. 440% more than the S&P 500 in about 3.5 months. Pretty stinking amazing. And you guys are able to take these scalping trades with us or trade by yourself. Let's bring us to the forefront now and make this relevant. We just ended up getting a sell signal on the 4-hour time frame, the past candle. This one is still working on closing here, okay? This actually closed at 5 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so we have 55 minutes for this one to close. That sell signal is perfectly calling the top there. So here's why I'm holding off on some scalping trades today. I believe Ethereum has the potential to move down to the descending support line. Potential. And why is that? Everybody who knows what a descending channel is knows that you have to look for a potential another touch on the descending channel for a move down. So I do believe there is a potential where Ethereum could be moving back down to $1,200. This isn't a guess. This is technical sound analysis. If you're looking at a regression trend, the next touch on this trend is literally at $1,200. Okay? It's either that or we're going to be looking for a short squeeze to move back up. So the question is, how can we gauge this on the shorter time frames in order to predict what's going to happen in the future? Here's what you can do. You can go from not only the 4-hour, you can go actually down to a lower time frame like the 1 hour. So let's play this out. The 1 day says that we got a buy signal here. We came out with bullish signs in the market when the candle was about right here. We called that great, and we saw them move up in the market. Now we're seeing signs that we're looking for a move back down. But if you go to the 4-hour, you can see it even more accurately. You guys want to get even more predictions here, take this down to the 2-hour if you would like. The 2-hour as well is showing us that we have the sell signal up here, and this is going to give us even more data to work with for the move back up. Do we see how this set a strong buy right here? Trend exhaustion low. 2 bars down here at the bottom. This is where you're looking for market reversals back up. All right. Now that you guys see that accuracy, we can kind of wrap this video up and say, all right, this metric is doing really well at calling tops and bottoms. Now I want to take you guys and show you something absolutely insane that I've never showed to any members before. Before I do that, quick pit stop. All these indicators, let me show you how to get it real quick. The trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow, that's part of our bundle pack. You guys purchase this today, you'll get 82% off, and you will get 9 indicators, all 9 of these in our bundle pack. Everyone who has or is purchasing our bundle pack right now after this video, you will immediately get a PDF that says surprise gift, and you will get a 53% off immediately after checkout. Use that coupon code, click right here, or just stay on the checkout page you guys are on. It's on the same store on Gumroad. And you guys input that coupon code, you will get 53% off this new indicator. It is cheaper to buy the bundle pack and then get the new indicators and get 11 indicators instead of buying the new indicators outright. You buy them outright, you actually are going to pay $1 more. So why not get 11 indicators total instead of just 2? Buy the bundle pack first for 82% off, get the coupon code at checkout, and purchase the new one. I'm just giving you guys the best deal possible. I don't want you guys to overpay. That's how you need to do this. All right, now let me take you guys into an insane test right now. I know this video is longer, but I want to show you guys something that is awesome. If you go to the 1 second time frame and set this up, you'll be able to see this with me. Now, we are not looking for exact accuracy on the 1 second. So please, everybody, just repeat this with me. Travis does not recommend trading the 1 second time frame. But here's what I do want to show you. I want to show you how you guys can set up alerts, and you are literally going to see in this video how the signal will come out on a candle close. It will be final, and you will get an alert that goes exactly to that. And we're not seeing any of these signals over here, placed on and then taken back off. Watch this here. I want to start turning this on so we can watch this. So we're going to turn this one on right here. We have TC top and bottom finder, and I have it set to a buy, okay? And then I'm going to show a sell, a strong buy, and a strong sell. Make sure all these are set to once per bar close. So I'm going to show you guys that. Let me show you this here real quick. Once per bar closed for a strong buy. That's a strong sell up there. We're going to turn this on. We're going to turn this on, and we're going to turn this on. This is a sell right here, once per bar closed. And then we're going to see a buy over here, which is a strong sell, which is a once per bar close. So let me come over here and just change this one real quick because we have a strong sell. This is going crazy right now. We have this is a buy. Let me change this to a buy real quick. My apologies. Come to a buy, and then we're going to click save. So we have a buy. We have a strong buy. We then have a sell, and then we have a strong sell. So everything's perfectly set up. Watch this with me here, guys. Every single time you guys see a candle bar open and close and you get a sell, you are immediately going to get an alert here. You're going to see this. because I want to talk to you guys a little bit about some of you who may be experiencing issues with this. You guys need to understand, like, a couple things. You guys need a good internet connection. If you guys are going to be using alerts with TradingView, you guys need to have a good internet connection. I personally am connected exactly up to Ethernet cable. So you guys, when you see this, you are literally seeing like no delay whatsoever to the second. Right there should be a buy signal. Every time you see a buy come out, you need to see a signal come out with it. And this is a test you guys can run. There's a perfect sell signal. If you guys are setting this up, and for some reason on any time frame that you guys are setting this up on, you guys are seeing that your signal is coming out and it's not exactly placed with a visual signal here, it may be because the internet's just a little bit slow, got a little bit of a lag, or you guys might be seeing TradingView be a little bit slower. TradingView is not 100% perfect at all of everything they do. They've even messaged me and they said, Travis, like the alert system is a fairly new thing, but sometimes we can get overwhelmed. I'm showing you guys proof here that everything is working perfectly for me. So you shouldn't have any problems. But there we go, right there. Strong buy signal. Perfect. So there we go. Should have another buy signal because we had two in there. And we should have another strong buy right there. So we had the strong buy, the buy, and another strong buy. The point of me showing this to you guys is that sometimes when you see an indicator that looks this accurate online, you're like, there's no way it can actually be this true. I'm taking you and I want you guys, once you get the indicator, to prove to yourself, go to the 1 second time frame, set up your alerts. You know, I'm probably annoying the team right now because they're getting all these alerts as well. But I'm setting this up to show you guys that once a candle bar closes here, run this test, you guys will be getting an alert when that goes off, and it will be correlated to the signal here. If for some reason there's a hiccup with TradingView, no matter how well we code an indicator, guys, there may just be a hiccup on TradingView's side based off their data. Make sure you guys are setting up once per bar close. Make sure you guys' internet is fast and you guys are using the best connection possible. But I just wanted to come out here and show this to you guys because I love geeking out about this stuff. And once you guys have this set up, use it on any time frame you want. I won't make this a super long video, but I just want to show this to you guys. You know what? Have a good one. Snag the indicators in the description. I do think we're going to be a little bit more bearish on Ethereum than bullish, possibly in the next, coming few hours here. And that's the signs that we're seeing. So want to show this to you guys. And it's pretty stinking awesome how amazing this thing is that literally after a candle bar close, you guys saw it flicker there a little bit. It's giving us a precursor. Once that candle closes, that's an official signal. You guys see none of these are taken away. These are all just placed up here and they're working very well. So guys, I love this. Have a good one. Snag it in the description. I'll see you guys later and I'll see you on the next video we do tomorrow. All right. Bye guys.